Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Have you noticed no matter where you look, everything now looks absolutely the same? Please tell me I'm not going crazy. The same videos, the same advice, the same conversations, the same headlines. It is exhausting. You pick an article, you read an article, and suddenly you see thereafter there's about 10 or 20 identical articles will come out a day or so later, pretty much the same title, pretty much written the same way, with no originality whatsoever. It's either they've been copied from one from another, or the same person written an article. And then you go to the supermarket, you have a look, and shelves look full, everything looks like, yes, great, there seems to be a lot of choice. But then look closer. Pick a box of cereal, for example. It looks like it's tons of different options and varieties, but in fact there isn't. It's the same shit, different box. The flavors are all the same. Ingredients are all the same. It is all the same. See, I'd say most people choose not to create, but copy something that's already worked. Because see, creating something new is a little bit riskier, yet copying something it is not. I take, for example, the latest garden craze that I've seen over the past 6 months. Somebody shared a video about rolling up your seedlings in the paper and then putting the seeds in there because apparently it's better for the seeds when you take them out. And then claimed there was their video, then suddenly boom, there was all over the internet. Everybody was doing the same thing, give or take. They might change the paper to the bubble wrap, and they claimed that they discovered the universe and that was a good idea. To the degree nobody actually questions. Everybody says this is great because they saw it somewhere, but nobody actually questioned or tested it, say, actually, is that a good idea? Because I personally don't think that was a good idea, but this was not the point. Now take, for example, there's a video somebody did about their weekly shop, and they said this is all they bought as a weekly shop, and they shared it with their audience, and that was great. And then months later, everybody else was doing the same thing. To the degree they're buying identical food to say this is what their family buys. Is our world come to the sort of point where we all so the same, or are we so just copying what everybody else does because it is safer to copy and follow than to lead? The truth is, I know that the modern systems now reward the similarities, or let's call it imitation. YouTube likes to have a specific videos in a specific niche, and they had their ideas for the algorithm to what they like or to what they think the audience like. Social media have their own specific standards of the thing what they expect from creators because they think this is what the audience like. See, in schools, they reward the correct answer rather than the original thinking. And see, unfortunately, preparedness also seems to sometimes fall into that trap because people seem to buy the same food without even thinking whether it's actually suitable for their family or not. They're buying the same gadgets. They follow the same checklist. See, the preparedness and resilience is not creating somebody else's life and somebody else's checklist. This is finding your weaknesses in yourself and in your family and then building upon that. And see, unfortunately, even the content creators in the same niche, I seem to be falling into the same thing. I've seen numerous amounts of copied content or content that is the same, that is taking the idea to the absolute every single word and then regurgitating it somewhere else. I understand the ideas overlap, things overlap, but when the people take identical thing because it's been generated by a specific script and they just read this out and they think it's giving somebody a good advice, it isn't. And it's gone to the stage where I've seen creators copying, you ready for this? Copying the community posts, okay? 2 different countries, different channels, identical give or take post, an identical idea. So how sad is this now that we as even as creators have to go to the degree of copying not just somebody's content video idea that's maybe a-okay, a community post. See, to me, being non-original to that degree would be more scarier than not having any views on my post or on my video. Don't get me wrong, this is not just applicable to preparedness. It happens everywhere in every niche. The originality is disappearing. What actually worries me is how little independent thinking people are now doing, not just in the content creators, just in general. See, we see an opinion and we repeat it. We see a trend and we follow it. We see a warning sign and then we forward it on without actually stopping for a second and asking, does any of it actually works? Does any of it make sense? And maybe that's why everything now feels the same, because following seems to be now far easier than actually thinking for yourself. A resilience as a humanity should start with thinking for ourselves, even if everybody else heading in the same direction. So please guys, please comment in the comments down below if you notice that everything now is the same. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching. I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.